What's up, guys? This is your boy Brainiac coming back with another flawless video here. Now, we've reached 1,000 subscribers, so you guys know what that means. That means one of y'all lucky 1,000 subscribers, you know, whoever gets it in the 1,000 subscribers that I have, or who comes along when the video is posted, you guys are gonna win yourself a free bumper quick release for the side of your cars. And I have actually had a lot of my friends in the past ask me what they were and what they are, because they're not car guys, but they seen that, you know, I was able to take my bumper off literally by pulling these bands off, and they look pretty unique on the side of your car. Now, I have 2 of them on each side, but 1 on each side will actually work for you. And another thing to relay the message to all of you guys is, you're probably like, I've seen many video clips inside your actual clips that show the airlift performance and the bags. Now, that was a very long process because of the weather, the time I got it. Too cold, or it was just really hard, but I actually did finish it all myself, which it's awesome in the end to know that I did it all myself, and I am gonna make reviews on that. But after this clip that we're talking about right now, I'm gonna show you guys whatever clips that I do have, because I did make clips as I was getting the airlift and stuff like that. Now, I didn't show the full installation like I planned on, but I'm actually gonna show you what clips I do have of, you know, as much as the DIY process, and, you know, just to show you guys what it looks like for the actual Mazda and how it works for the Mazda. Now, for a little while, I actually had front bags on the front and none on the back. I had the lowering springs on the back, so I drove around for a very long time with just front bags, which you can do, but you have to little kind of jerry rig it a little bit. You have to put the back bags into the connectors and, you know, fill it up, because you do have to, what the heck's the word for it? Crap. My mind went blank. You have to, actually, we'll check right here. You have to calibrate it. That's the word for it. And another thing is, you guys seen my new apparel online and stuff that you guys can pick up if you guys do want one. I can try to make them as cheap as I can. It's more of the website, you know, what happens with the price. I can make the prices different. You know, I can make it really expensive or really cheap, and I'll try to make it as cheap as they let me. But for a luck, guys, do enjoy, you know, whatever kind of experience I'm giving you to see how the bag setup looked. And I might record some other clips too, showing you right now how my back and my trunk and everything looks, because it did come out really sick, to be honest. But I'm happy that we hit 1,000, and I hope that we could hit more. So you daily subscribers, please keep subscribing, because there is more, there's more things to come along in this car, and I am wrapping it, and I'll tell you what I'm wrapping it when the time comes right. And I know that you guys don't know me personally, but I feel like we all connect because we are car people. You know, we all build, we all create, and you can pretty much do anything you put your mind to. And a lot of people told me that this was a waste of money, but in the end, I built it. I know my car in and out. I've put thousands of dollars into my car, but in the end, I'm driving around something that I built, that means something to me. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy, and I hope you guys take any of the, you know, skills and the DIYs that I've ever showed you and start making your own videos. Because, you know, once I'm bigger, I hope that you guys got big because you guys started watching me or any other car enthusiast in the world. Because, to be honest, this is the way that our world works, and the only way to get successful in life is if you put your mind to it. That's all I can tell you. You know, you want to do something, you make it happen. You work 24 hours out of the day to make the money to make it happen. But I'll catch you guys at the end of the video, and I hope you guys enjoy what's happening on the bags. So I'll see you there. And yes, 1,000 subscribers. Deuces. What's up, guys? It's Brainiac coming back with another flawless video here. We're not starting the video out in the garage right now because it's early in the morning. Gotta go to school. It's about 7:12 in the morning, and I'm leaving school early for about 11 because the fact is, as you guys can see as the title, it's the starting of the process. Now, We're gonna do it pretty much in, I wanna say 3 videos or 4 videos. I gotta see how that one goes, but we're getting the airbag suspension in today, and I got the notification that it's near my town, but I don't know what time it's coming in. Why I'm not here, it's just gonna be dropped off, obviously. Somebody else is gonna sign for it, and then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna start the process. We're gonna do the tank, the lines, the power, the compressor, everything first, because for the fact is, since this is my daily and I drive this around, gotta go to work, so we'll do and run all the lines and everything like that, and then I can go to work still. And then when we have some more free time, we can do the front shocks, and if we have to just do the front shocks, we can air up on the front and keep the back on the lowering springs, you know, since front's adjustable to any height. And then we can do the rear, or we can do the front and the rear if we have the management time to do it. But let's go to school, and I'm gonna have some reaction videos when I get it done. It's gonna be so sweet, you know. I can't wait to just have that satisfaction of first timing airing out. I'm so happy that I went over this than coilovers. You know, I'm gonna do my review after how many months, because Pennsylvania is pretty hazardous when it comes to the weather. So I want to see how much this handles up. So I am taking the risk for you guys. If anything, I can throw down my old rear springs and old rear shocks, or even by that time just buy a set of brand new ones just to be prepared and be safe if the airbags do tend to go. I don't know if they do, but they're so logically advanced, words aren't working. So yeah, let's go to school, boys. If you guys can hear it, that's my broken suspension and freaking speed bumps, my friends. Ugh. Freaking hate these things, man. Ugh. Yeah, you hear that? Boom, I bet y'all do hear that. Swerving around them. Screw y'all. I'm not doing this shit. Whew. Beautiful out, guys. Oh my god, what's the temperature? We gotta check this. 54 degrees out, and I'm sweating. Like, it's no wind, it's nothing. It's beautiful. It's springtime out, man. And it's a good day because the package was delivered. It's 11:10. Just got out of school to actually go back home. The packages, I got a notification that they were delivered. I'm gonna grab some food before we start this, and I'm gonna stop at Lowe's or Walmart because I do need Loctite for this process. I'll explain it more to you guys when I get it, but we'll be home soon. So just sit back and relax, and I'm gonna go grab some food real quick and the Loctite. So let's go. Alrighty guys, now we had a situation. I got some of my packages. I got actually the lines, the tank, the compressor, everything good to go. But there's 2 packages I'm missing, and it makes me angry. UPS, really. It's my actual front shocks, the lower control arms, the bags, and guess what? I have to go, seriously, I have to go pick them up from an actual UPS dealership. They can't deliver to my house again, which is so messed up in so many ways. But we're gonna do the unboxing really quick of these guys, so let's go do that. Hey guys, our main thing here is the 3P manifold system. That's gonna make us go up and down. We'll slide that, guys, open when we get to that part. Now, here's the lines the air is gonna be running through to make this guy go up and down. Oof, there's a lot of lines there. I think this is extra. Let me see. Oh, this is the drain hose. Okay, this is for the water trap. And going down in here, this guy is heavy. This is the actual line. We're gonna have to wire and everything up. I'm gonna have to look some things up because it looks very simple. I just gotta, when we get to that part, I'll think about it. What we're gonna need to actually wire this guy in. I think we'll need like a few butt connectors and stuff like that. Coming down here, oh Jesus. Coming down here, actual, I'm not sure what this guy is. I think we'll have to look into it, but this is more stuff. They seriously, they already covered it with sealant. I bought that. Now, this is what I do recommend you getting. I got this for one reason. This is a compressor silencer. You add it to the compressor and it makes less noise, so then you don't hear it when you start it up. It was 65 bucks for that little piece. And here's the wire, the compressor, everything. We'll look more into that. shipping stuff. Here's our water trap, or I'm pretty sure it's the water trap. Some clamps, tees, and the big guy, which we're gonna take out in a little bit. This is the tank. We're gonna get everything mounted and, you know, ran through the car. So this is just gonna be a fun process. Kick back, relax. I'll try to do DIY as much as I can, but this is gonna be so sweet. It's such a nice day out. Woof, that's sun. Can't wait to do this, guys. Let's go. Woof, guys. We got lots of boxes here. We have more coming. But before anything, thank you, bag riders, by the way. Y'all give me a license plate cover. How convenient that mine actually broke a couple days before, and I do not know physically how the freaking thing broke. But now we got a sweet, actual good one that I got with the thing. And we got a decal for the front, and we got some smaller ones. So there's gonna be some sponsorship going on from you guys, just to let y'all know that. So let's open these boxes really quick and show you what we get in. Alrighty, guys, now we got everything put and placed, and yeah, I'm just gonna show you what I did for the wiring. And we mounted the actual tank onto the wooden board. We have the trunk cleared all out. We have this all running. Now what I did was run it through the trim pieces through the Mazda, and I don't know where the firewall is on this car. If anybody can tell me, comment down below. I don't feel like ripping everything apart to find a little hole. So what I do is, typically I run it through the door panel right here, through here, down here, and then you had to splice a few wires. And I'll show you the diagram so that you guys can understand this more. The fuse tap that they came with for the Mazda did not fit my fuses, so thank God I had extra ones laying around when I ordered for the wireless charger. Now, the battery, we put the negative on the negative terminal and the positive on the positive terminal. Now there was fuses that you had to wire up and things like that, and they gave you the shrink wrap and everything to do it. The fuses, you had to find an ignition source so that when you start up the car you can rise on start. And true story, I do not have the bags because these idiots at UPS, oh my god, I can't get them until tomorrow and I have to drive all the way there to get them. That's ridiculous. Step on your guys' part. So we're just gonna wire it. We actually do got the controller on. I'll show you guys the controller a little bit, but we're gonna mount the tank, clean everything up just so that we can run the lines. I'm gonna pretty much have this set up. This is just the tank setup, and this is gonna be more of cinematic. Just chill, relax, and we'll get this, guys. This is about gonna be a 2-3 day process, and we got snow coming up, so I don't even know if I can finish the shocks because it's gonna be probably cold in here. We'll try to get it done though. We're gonna get an impact, get it done real quick. So, see you guys in the next clip. What's up, guys? I hope you guys enjoyed my content. You know, I made it as fresh as possible. And to be honest, love the new outro that I did make, and I hope you guys enjoy it too. Do a lot of work on this YouTube channel, and it took me a while to get where I needed to be, but in the end, it has been working out for me. Thank you to all of you. And I know that you guys want to learn about more of the giveaway. Well, you car guys are going to be lucky because you're going to get a free mod, which does save you, you know, at least 20 bucks. You know, you just have to hit the sub. That's it. Nothing else to it. And you get a free $20 part, to be honest with you. So when we actually see the giveaway start happening, more into it, the more transaction, then I'll let you guys know who the winner is, who I have to send this stuff out to, and I can't wait for that to happen. But this is the first clip of what I could get from my bags. I didn't make a lot of clips because it was pretty stressful. It was my first time, and I actually did really good with this. And I have to say one more thing before I go. Wrapping the car. On Wednesday, I'm getting gloss black wrapping. I'm doing the wrap on the roof so you guys can see how to take out the antenna and things like that, which is going to be really cool to be honest, in my opinion. I've wrapped in the past, and hopefully gonna wrap in the future like I'm saying now. But let's go. I can't wait to show you those videos. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Please keep hitting that subscription. That's all that matters. And go Brainiac Squad. That's all I can say. So see you guys later. Enjoy life, and peace out.